Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to utilize health packs for sustainability in Overwatch. Memorize the location of health packs on each map. Inform your team when you use a health pack to avoid unnecessary searches. Use health pack first on heroes who can't self-heal. Monitor the respawn timers of health packs for efficient use. Position yourself near health packs during defensive phases. Secure health packs in key map locations to deny them from enemies. Tanks should secure large health packs to sustain longer engagements. Be aware of health packs to escape when flanking as a squishy hero. Retreat to health packs when low on health rather than risking death. Check your health frequently to know when to utilize health packs. Coordinate with support to let them know when you're using health packs. Predict enemy routes to control health packs in their path. Use health packs less frequently if you have self-sustained abilities. Use health packs to prepare for ambushes by restoring health preemptively. Use health packs when respawning to quickly rejoin the fight. Use health packs to charge your ultimate faster during downtime. Deny enemy access to health packs during teamfights or retreats. Regroup around health packs to prepare for the next engagement. Plan Winston jump around health packs to quicker recovery. Allow supports to heal you if they are available, saving health packs for emergencies. Coordinate with dive heroes to secure health packs in enemy territory. Memorize health packs location along common flanking routes. Use health packs to quickly reset after a failed engagement. And control health packs on high ground to maintain position advantage. And that's how to utilize health packs for sustainability in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.